Today we'll show you how to create gaming channel in YouTube. Okay, just follow these steps and don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. First, open your Google and go here and open your YouTube. Okay guys, just open your YouTube, and before YouTube now, just know we will go here. If you have a channel, it's okay and it's good. If you don't have a channel, you want to create the second channel in your YouTube. Okay, just go to settings and go to add and manage your channel and click, and here go to create the second channel in your Google account. Okay, just click here to create channel. Just click now. We will put like LEGUTO, like this LEGUTO, maybe like game. Okay guys, and here put like handle LEGUTO game like 01. Okay guys, just for the test, and create a channel. Okay, just now follow this is steps. Good. Okay guys. Okay, now finally we have this is a channel, our channel. Just wait 1 second guys, done like this, and go now, go here and switch account and go to your new channel. Okay, now here finally we have this is a channel, and go to here and go to YouTube Studio. Okay, finally now we have a new channel in our channel. Just now follow this is the steps. Go here and open your Google, okay, and put here like create YouTube logo gaming. Okay guys, just follow this is words and go here or open your Canva. Okay, it's no problem. Just now, okay, here finally you can create your this, and you can put see more, and you can create another. If you have your logo, it's okay. If you have logo and you are created it from Photoshop or something like that, it's okay. But you can create logo from here. It's free. Okay guys, and here it's free. Okay guys, just this is a Canva and this is a Planset. Okay, just now to go to Canva, it's so easy. Canva, just like this, making a Google like here. Now finally we will need to create an account in Canva. Just connect with your Google of your channel and just click like this and go continue like this and wait a few seconds. Okay guys, just now wait a few seconds. Okay, finally now we have this, and you can create this, you can create other like this. Just don't forget like create YouTube logo gaming, and you can put here Canva. Okay guys, like this for creating this. Okay, just I will choose maybe this, it's good, or this. Okay, just now go here and we will now remove and put this LEGUTO and game. Okay, just here like for okay, put it, subscribe like this and like. Okay guys, okay, just now it's okay. Just now we will now to okay guys, now just after this, to continue this, just go to here to partage or share. Okay, just click here and go to recharge or download, click and choose your PNG or JPEG. I choose JPEG because this is JPEG. Okay, and now click to download. And now finally we have this is here. Okay, now we need to create a banner. Okay, just create banner YouTube gaming Canva. It's like that. Okay guys, and click the first link in the Canva. And okay, now finally we can choose anything. Okay, like okay, personal. This is you can do like this because I'm first here. Just okay, I will choose maybe this. It's so good, it's so beautiful, and you can choose this. It's so beautiful this, and you can choose this or this, and you can do everything. Okay guys, okay, maybe I will choose something like our color, like blue, and like this is a color of our this. Just you will see like this color. Okay, maybe you can choose anything you want. Okay guys, just okay, I will choose only this. Where is it? Okay, this, and just now this is with the payment guys. We need now something it's free. Okay, maybe we'll choose this. It's free, and go to here to create a Canva and click here, and you can supreme it like this, and you can add one another like it. One second, guys. Maybe I want to change the color like this. Okay, wait 1 second, guys. So import and give our picture from here to here and go. Only 1 second, guys. Just click here. Okay, like this. Okay, it's so beautiful, guys. Okay, just now here put our channel LEGUTO like this, LEGUTO game. Okay, and here it's a gaming channel. Just now go to here to download from here and go to JPEG and click here to download. Okay, now finally we have a banner of our channel. Okay, it's so beautiful now. Okay, after this we now to go to our YouTube channel and go now to YouTube to continue like this and go now to here to customization. Okay, just click here and go to here to upload our banner just like this and go to download and click to our banner like this and done, and go here and upload our logo and go to like this. Okay, guys, it's now finally we have logo and banner in our channel. Just wait a few seconds to be uploading. Okay. Okay, guys, now finally we have, now it's everything, it's okay. Just now go to here to setting and go now to channel and advance and favorite this like this. Here first you can verify your phone. You can find the video in our channel, and here you can find other to our channel how to verify it, like enable like this. Okay, you can find it in our channel LEGUTO guide. Okay, now go to advance and go here like this. This is standard YouTube. Okay, this is put your video language here, and here your category will put gaming for tip your videos to be niche in gaming, to dancing or gaming, to the dance. Okay, only this, and put a save. And now finally we have our channel in here, LEGUTO game, and you can now do everything with your gaming channel, and you can upload the game, and you can share screen or share live stream. You can do everything. Just don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.